Upgrading your car's stereo shouldn't mean hours of frustration or risking damage to your vehicle's wiring. With Scosche's wiring harness, you can connect your new aftermarket stereo directly to your factory stereo harness. No cutting, no guesswork, and no stress. The result? A clean, professional installation that works perfectly every time. Step 1. Identify your factory stereo harness. Scosche's wiring harness is designed to plug right into your vehicle's existing connectors, so you don't have to splice or modify any wires. This means your car's original wiring stays intact, preserving its value and functionality. Step 2. Use the pre-terminated butt connectors. These connectors save you time by eliminating the need for additional tools or complicated wiring. Just match the color-coded wires, following the EIA industry standard, and secure the connections. The factory-quality wire and connectors ensure a reliable, long-lasting connection. Step 3. Complete your installation by plugging the harness into your new aftermarket stereo. Because Scosche has been perfecting these kits for over 40 years, you can trust the fit and function will be spot on. Plus, if you ever have questions, their lifetime tech support team is ready to help you troubleshoot or guide you through the process. By following these simple steps, you'll enjoy a seamless stereo upgrade without the headaches. Scosche's wiring harnesses come backed by a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind along with great value. Ready to transform your car's audio experience? Start your installation with Scosche today.